have entered at a lower price, seeing the entry point and all. But if it is still goes like in a reverse direction, so
Mm-hmm.
what I used to do, I used to cut the position.
So hello, hi Suria, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. And let me introduce myself. I
Please.
am Surya. I am from India. Okay. I have been trading with Audacity since last 1 year and so.
Mhm.
I started, I think, last year May. Okay.
Mm.
I found like there are some funded trading option is available with Audacity. So I filled the form, and after 1 2 days I got an interview invitation. Couple of question was there. Then I interviewed. Then they offered me FTP plan.
Mm.
Okay.
And
At
tell
that
me
time,
something, sorry Suria, are you a full-time trader at the moment? How long have you been trading for
no, I'm
overall?
not full time trader. I'm not full time trader. I work with IT company. Okay. I'm a full time job actually.
Okay.
Okay. But mostly as this forex trading is like off hours and all, 24/7, you can say 5 days. So I used to work, I used to trade during my off hours, let's say evening time
Mm-hmm.
or quite little late night or early morning, like around 7 a.m. IST, which is a kind of movement happens like all international market starts like Australian and other market.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the kind of off hours. Apart from my regular job, I used to trade.
Okay, so you use it as a side side business, basically, as a second source
Yes.
of income for yourself. Have you worked with any other provider apart from Audacity from us,
Right now,
or?
I am just trying to find out who are competitive in market, but
Mhm.
I am consistently with Udasi.
Okay, okay. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your strategy? First of all, would you say you are a swing trader or an intraday trader?
I mostly prefer intraday trading.
Mhm.
In some cases, like let's say I have bought or I sold any currency pair, but it has not gone as per my plan and all. It goes down. Or if I'm seeing like something minus, it is going let's say 300 dollar. Initially, it was not there because initially leverage was less and also
Yeah.
lot is also less. So I didn't get such a big loss. But when I am taking a kind of bigger lot nowadays, my capital is increased. So I should take bigger lot. So when I'm taking a bigger lot, like seeing 300, 400 minus is it is easy. So at that time, I used to try to hold
Mm.
or wait at least 3 4 days, 5 days, even sometime weekend. So or I can take kind of more lot in the lower price or in the higher price if I'm selling as per
Okay.
my target.
Okay. And what is your strategy? How do you decide when and how to enter in a trade?
Mostly I used to see the support and resistance,
Mm-hmm.
and also I used to see like hourly then daily. If
Market
my
structure and price action,
market
I believe.
structure, market movement and kind of support point or resistance point that I
Mm.
used to find out based on daily trading, as well as I used to see weekly, so that if I
Mm-hmm.
want to kind of hold something for 1 weekend, so then it is good that what I have seen, because you are providing less leverage and there is a less chances that I will hit the daily
Stop loss.
drawdown and so. Yeah,
I
that
see.
I have never seen that. That's a good point which I found, which is best across other platform. This one is good, which I see here in Udacity.
That's good. And on top of market structure and price action, do you also use any sort of indicator to help you with your strategy, or is just
Yeah,
plain
indicator
structure?
1, 2 I generally use. I follow like I could say Bollinger Band. Okay. And
Mhm.
also I used to see like VWAP. So that helps me. Like where I
Okay,
will take entry.
I see. And what about the risk? With us, you have set rules, especially in the fund trading program account.
I practice in such a way because I have seen a lot of time it is if it is going down also, as I am taking lesser lot. Um, I was a kind of going on trial basis and your fund was less initially like 15K, right?
Yeah,
So in fact, today only I got the next level. Okay. Um, so initially when I am taking a lesser lot or it is not going such a huge loss and so I generally do not go SN. Okay. But when I'm increase the size now or increase the kind of lot size, now I am following a little risk strategy of putting stop loss. Otherwise, I generally
you
didn't
were not
take
used to put a loss of loss.
not stop loss. Yeah.
I see. So it's very important, the stop loss,
Yeah.
because you never
Yeah.
know how much
Yeah.
against you something can
Yeah.
go.
Yeah. So
So,
what I do, like if I have a target, let's say it is going negative. If I
mm,
have a target that, okay, if I am losing $200 here, I will exit. So uh, below that, I used to put stop loss. Or if I am seeing it is $180 minus, I will cut that position in loss also.
I see.
That kind of strategy I used to follow.
And how is it working out for you?
That is working. And one problem which I see like news. So if I
Mm.
am entered somewhere, I know that tomorrow there is a Fed meeting or there is a FOMC meeting or something is there. Though I have entered at a lower price, seeing the like entry point and all, but if it is still goes like in a reverse direction,
Mm-hmm.
so what I used to do, I used to like cut the position even if it is a
Sure.
loss. So that's a kind of majorly impacting my doubling the account little more time. Otherwise, all other things are good. What I see.
Okay, that's fine. So overall, your experience with Audacity, I can say, has been positive, right? You have already doubled your account a couple of times. I think I just saw a new request from your side. So I think that the risk management team is now working on checking your 60K account, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see how it goes. And so yeah, how has been your experience so far
That is
overall?
really good. Only one thing which I see, like the kind of split profit percentage, profit
Mhm.
split, and kind of I'm a new FTP account holder, right? The other thing which like challenge account and all that it's a competitive. But the FTP, if they will migrate or they will approve the terms and condition as per the new FTP, that will be good because we didn't know like you are going to change all these things. So if we are going on old FTP, which is a kind of
Yes, there is a
like
difference in the
yeah
profit
difference
share.
which is not good. Otherwise, all other experience is good. I will say
You can get an account on the new FTP, you can get both. You can
that is
basically keep
true.
both,
But the point is, even in new FTP, you are providing like charges are quite high. Okay.
but there is a
And
one-time fee only. There is no monthly fee on the new program.
that's true, but see, monthly fee is quite less, and it is easy
Yeah,
to bear that
you
because you don't know, like, if you are entering in a wrong side and all, your
Well,
account may.
that's why there is a price associated to the accounts, different
Yeah,
programs
yeah,
that we offer, because we want you guys, we want the traders to treat the account with diligence. So if there is a trade you are not certain to take, the idea that you can lose the money that you pay of the fee it will help you to make more considerate decision. So you're free because you are an old FTP account trader. You can decide to keep that account for sure. If you want, you can have another account on the new FTP. Clearly, the rules will be different, and you will need to respect both set of rules for both different accounts. But you have these options.
Yeah, I understand.
Perfect. So, Suria, tell me something. You are relatively new, we can say, in the trading industry, and we can say that your experience so far has been good. You have been directly funded through a funder provider that actually helped you, I think, save some money of yourself. So you didn't put your personal money, your personal savings into trading. Based on my experience, I can say that it was a great decision from your side, because in the beginning,
Yeah, I
especially.
started directly. Started directly from the account
Mhm.
before knowing that there are ability challenges and all. This was my first company where I would like company in the sense right now you will see there are a lot of providers.
Sure,
Okay.
sure, 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 sure.
So before starting with anybody, I started with Audacity, and my experience was quite good because due to that leverage, I didn't know like what kind of leverage others provide or even
Mhm.
in ability challenge. So this one is to 100, but
Yeah,
when I see here one is to 30, and I didn't hit the bottom line like daily drawdown and all. That's a quite interesting which I found here. Though I started first time with Udacity.
that's good. A piece of advice that you will give to someone that, just like yourself, perhaps wants to start trading as a second source of income or as a full-time job. What would you tell them?
I would advise them, even if you want to do full time or if you want to start as a part time like me, um, you can go with a company or provider who are restricting you or who are giving a platform where there is a less chance. Even if you do some wrong trading, you will not hit directly the daily drawdown. So that's a kind of strategy you need to see, and accordingly you can go with the platform by the FTP or by the challenges and start your journey. And as you people are providing kind of minimum level, that's the best thing. If you are seeing that trading in Forex, you may earn very good.
Mhm.
But if you are kind of getting greedy and started with a higher account and you are not able to control, you will hit the bottom line and you
Yeah,
will not get anything. So
true.
starting with a lower money, that is always good. That I will
Exactly.
advise to them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I completely understand, especially for people that are now starting in the business. Just like you were saying, when you were on the 15K account, clearly the loss was smaller. Now that you are on a bigger account, you can use a higher lot size. Clearly, you will see in terms of like numbers, 200, 300, 400 is normal. If you think about is the exact comparison of a smaller amount that you were seeing on the $15,000. But seeing that big account, that big number, actually, it can have an impact on your psychology. And as a trader, psychology is very important, if not everything. So starting on a smaller account and then slowly get used to the market, to the lot sizes, to the numbers in general that you can see going up and down. It can actually help you when it comes to then manage a bigger account. I completely
Yeah.
agree on
Yeah.
on that.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, Surya, for your time and for sharing your experience and your story with us. I wish you the best of luck on the new account, and hopefully we can catch up soon again.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye bye.